This is a time when traders get ready for the Memorial Holiday weekend. We have Joe Tigay of Equity Armor Investments with us. Joe, what are you anticipating?
Yeah, my expectation is to continue to expect the unexpected. 2 weeks ago, it seemed like everything was so fantastic. We had a pause on the tariffs. Things are going to work out with China, maybe even some peace coming. And then over the weekend last week, we had the complete opposite. We had like the worst case scenario of the US debt downgraded. So it just seems to me, anytime things seem really good, put that on hold because it's not as good as it seems. Every time things seem really bad, put that on hold. They're not as bad as they seem. So just kind of continue to expect that unexpected and just kind of let the market tell you what is really happening. So back with all the tariffs and with the downgrade, I'm just watching the bond market right now. It's still kind of soft. We can see those bonds firm up, see those rates come lower. I think that'd be great news for the stock market. Then also just kind of watching the economy. The economy's been fantastic. There's really been no signs of softening happening. So as long as that stays good, you'll see the stock market do well also. And finally, the actual earnings, big one coming up next week. We're all going to be waiting to see what NVIDIA does. So that's going to be key for me. NVIDIA has great earnings. I think we're going to see a little bit more of that risk on trade, the AI data center trade return to form, which is kind of has done really well in the last month. I think NVIDIA having a good earnings will really put us into that next gear.
Do you think this will be a big year of summer vacations for traders, or a summer to stay closely connected to the stock market because it has been volatile?
Yeah, traditionally after the May expiration, you get the saying, sell in May, go away. That's usually what happens. People are going on summer vacation. I didn't really understand it as much before I had children. Now that I have children, you get that school cycle. It does make sense. A lot of people live on that calendar when, the school year ends. People take vacations, a little bit less going on. So that's kind of where you get the sell in May, go away. But with this environment, with this economy, with all of the news constantly happening, usually you expect volatility to be lower with that when that happens. I'm not necessarily banking on that this summer. I'm still expecting to see the moves up and down in spite of the lower volume.
Enjoy your weekend, Joe. Thank you.
Thanks, Ed.